Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Here I select a sketch plane, make a rectangle of 96 by 64 mm. (16 mm) pad and select top face as a sketch plane. Select side edge and project 3D element command and then convert it into construction line and then create a rectangle of 16 by 64 mm. (16 mm) and then pad it by 48 mm. Select edge fillet of 32 mm. Select top face as a sketch plane and again select edge and use project 3D element tool for creating reference lines. Dimension of the rectangle is 40 and 22 from side. And pad it by 28 mm. Select front face as a sketch plane and again use project 3D element tool and then make a circle of 24 mm diameter and pocket up to next. Select front top face as a sketch plane and again use project 3D element command for creating reference. Make a rectangle of 16 by 20 mm. Put values one by one. Make a circle and go for the pocket up to next and then OK. And only one thing is remaining, stiffness. Select side face as a sketch plane. Select both the points and go for the project 3D element and create into construction and then make one line and then go for the stiffener command and select from side and neutral fiber is unchecked and the value is 12 mm. You can see our drawing is finished.